Is there much of a benefit to pleading to a DUI?
It depends. Sometimes when you try a case, things can come out. People sometimes that are impaired can say some bad things. They can be doing some things that they would be really embarrassed about. Their punishment level could maybe go from a lesser level and climb up because of things that come out at trial. Maybe go from a level 5 to a level 3. They could be put on supervised probation if they plea. I always think it's best to have a lawyer in your situation for a DWI, and you really need somebody who knows DWIs. You can tell they're very complicated. There's a lot of issues with DWIs, and I think sometimes my advice to a client is we need to minimize the damage. I always heard that from my good friend Frank Jones, who's now in Superior Court, saying sometimes you got to minimize the damage. And unfortunately, sometimes in DWIs, when you have crashes, you don't want to bring in somebody, the victim, and bring them for a day in court to try your case when you're going to plead, be found guilty. So I think those are things that I always recommend to my client if it's going to hurt them in court.